Pitch Downtown Mafia. Messenger. FaceTime. Battle. Pitch Black. Delight Games Premium Library. Perceptron. Lixvanta. G. Classic. Live Now. Lixvanta. Action Games folder. Entertainment folder. TikTok. Pitch Black. A Dusk Light Story. Pitch Black. Pitch Black. A Detect. CodeQuest. Landscape.
Hey y'all, I'm going to do a quick
Screen curtain off.
demo of CodeQuest. It is a fun little short game where you just navigate around the screen. It does not use tap function that much. Only a tiny bit of it uses it. This game is free, and it is a code teaching app for the blind. So, here we go.
CodeQuest. Play. Tap to play. Delete scores. Tap. How to play. Settings. Button.
So let's do the how to play. Let's do the settings.
Version 1.365.
I don't think it's updated, but I could be wrong.
Back button. Settings. Heading. Version 1.3. Music volume. 10. Adjustable.
So you can select how loud you want the music.
Sound effect volume. 20. Adjustable. Use sound effects to
And the
indicate
sound
movement.
effects.
On. Use 20. Use sound effects to indicate movement. On. Button.
And you can use sound effects to indicate movement on or off. Now let's get out of here. 4-finger tap the top of your screen.
Back button.
Oh, I forgot to mention this game is in landscape mode.
Back button. CodeQuest. Play. Tap to play the game. Button.
Now we're going to
Delete scores. Tap to erase previous scores. Button.
You know what? I'm going to do that. Actually, because
Delete score. Alert. Delete scores. Do you want to delete? Yes. Button. CodeQuest.
alright, now we are
Settings.
going
Button.
to
How to play. Button. CodeQuest. Settings. How to play. Quick start. 1. Tap the play button. Select a planet, and then choose a level. 2. Tap the directional arrows to plot the path to the rocket ship, then tap the play button to move the astronaut. 3. If there is a mistake in your sequence, tap any step within your list of commands to show an editing cursor to delete or insert steps. 4. Some walls need one or more blasts, so make sure to shoot at them before moving forward. If you encounter an alien, make sure to go through them to pick them up. 5. The fewer movements you make, the more stars you earn. 3 stars is the best score. 6. Loops are introduced in Planet Pollux to simplify command repetition. 7. Download tactile grid design files from www.af.org and emboss them. Full instruction. 7. Download tactile grid design files from www.af.org and emboss them for players who are blind.
Oh, so you can download files. I haven't figured out how to do that yet.
Full instruction. White Bullet, you can emboss grids for players with blindness using tactile graphic design files. Go to White Bullet, tap the play button to start the game. White Bullet on the solar system page. Choose a planet. White Bullet, you can emboss grids for players with blindness using tactile graphic design files. Go to www.af.org and search CodeQuest to find the downloads. There you can also find design files of 3 tactile grid boards and several manipulatives including the astronaut, rocket ship, alien, and aero tiles that can be laser cut or 3D printed.
So there is files and a link, or at least an address for how to get to the website. Anyway,
White Bullet, tap the play button to start the game. The delete scores button gives you an option to delete previous play and records. The settings page gives you controls over music and sound effects. White Bullet on the solar system page. Choose a planet to play. Game difficulty gradually increases from Planet Kratos to Planet Pollux.
so there's 5 planets. It doesn't say that. I can't. Well, actually, it says it when you're in like the place, the page that you go into after
Screen
clicking the
White Bullet, each planet. White Bullet on.
play button, and yeah. So here we go.
White Bullet, each planet has 6 levels. Choose a level to play. Game complexity grows as the level increases.
Yeah, so it gets more and more complicated. It took me a while to get through a couple because I didn't do right calculations in head, but yeah. Anyway, next.
White Bullet, when the game begins, carefully listen, as the voiceover announces the grid layout, number of rows and columns, where the astronaut and rocket ship are located, and if applicable, where the alien is located. During play, the same information is available by tapping the help button.
So yeah, so for those of you who have audio ducking on, turn that off, because the information is really needed to play the game. So yeah.
White bullet in each level. An astronaut is located in row 1, column 1 of a grid. Explore the grid. Locate the rocket ship and determine the best route to get to it. For players who rely on the voiceover, use of the drag gesture is encouraged when exploring the grid because it will support their spatial concepts and mental mapping, which is a critical piece of this game. Use of the swipe gesture is not recommended for the same consideration. White bullet count how many steps it takes to go left, right, up, or down to move the astronaut to the rocket ship located in the grid.
Yeah. So you really need to really calculate. My best way for you guys is to envision, like, it's on a squarish, rectangle-ish grid.
Screen dim.
So imagine it like a maze that you're looking at, like a tactile maze, and then read where each thing is positioned. Think about where you'd have to go to get there, and then
Screen dim.
use the arrows to indicate it. So yeah.
White bullets and walls are unbreakable, so players have to navigate around them. Some walls need one or more blasts, so make sure to shoot at them before going through. If there is an alien, make sure to go through him to pick him up.
So when you're in the final planet, you unlock I think either in the third or fourth one you unlock the blast ability, and then on your final one you can do the double
Screen
loop.
dim. White bullet along the bottom of the playing scene. You will find several command buttons. From left to right, they are left, up, down, and right arrows. Blaster button, only for the last 3 planet. Loop picker, only for the last planet. Erase 1 command button. Erase all commands button. Read all commands button. Help button.
Oh,
and
there's
play
a loop button.
Tap the command buttons to design your movements.
So yeah, click command. So here.
White bullet levels under Planet Pollux allow you to use loops when designing your steps. To use the loop picker, first adjust the number of times you would like to repeat the previously added step by swiping the picker up or down. Then, tap the picker to add the loop command. White bullet tap the play button to run your steps. When the astronaut reaches the rocket ship, you have finished a level successfully and can move on to the next level. If the astronaut fails to reach the ship, you can revise your strategy. White bullet tap any step within your list of commands to show an editing cursor right after that step. Then, you can delete that step using the erase 1 command button, or insert it. White bullet the best stars label shows the highest number of stars you have ever earned. The best performance label shows the fewest number of steps that you have used to move the astronaut to the rocket ship. Of course, for teachers. CodeQuest provides opportunities to teach so many skills. Using the iPad,
So this is for teachers, so yes, this game is good. I think I might recommend it for my school to try out. Anyway, so yeah, now we're gonna exit out of here.
Back button. Back button. CodeQuest. Play. Tap to play the game. Button. Buckle up. It's time to take off. Tap here to get your assignment.
So yeah, click on this because it tells you how many planets, or you could just swipe. Anyway, here we go.
3, 2, 1.
Let's listen to what it says. Nice sound effects.
5 new planets were discovered at the edge of the known universe by scientists from the Intergalactic Space Agency. You must now use the remote interface to your ZX5 computer to reach your ship and return home. Select a planet and start playing.
So yeah, that's the intro. Now, we are going to select a planet. And since I deleted my progress, we shall do first planet.
Planet Kratos. Completed 0 of 6 level. Level 1. Your best performance is 0 steps. Stars received. 0. Tap to go to this level. Level 2. Your best performance is 0. Level 3. Your level 1. Your best performance is 0 steps. Stars received. 0. Tap to go to this level. This is your ship's computer. ZX5. I need you to return to me so that we can fly back to our home. To reach the ship, count the steps you need to move, then move that many steps to the right. Start level. Button. Planet. The level is 1 rows and 5 columns. The astronaut is located at row 1 and column 1. The rocket ship is located at row 1, column 5. There is no alien in this level.
Row 1, column 5. Okay.
Best stars. 0. Best performance. Astronaut. Empty. 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 Row 1. Rocket ship. Row 1, column 5.
Oh, I can just go right.
Empty. Best performance. Astronaut. Empty.
1,
empty.
2,
empty.
3,
Rocket
4.
ship. Row 1, column
Okay,
5.
so we're gonna go right 4 times.
Erase button. Erase. Up button. Down. Right button. Right button.
Now we are going to
Play button. Play button.
press that.
You took 4 steps. Your best performance is 4 steps. You got 3 stars. Congratulations.
So yeah, so that's basically a little bit of a look at this game. I think I will do.
Next level. Play back to Kratos. Back to Kratos. Button.
I will go out of here.
Level 1. Your best performance is 4 steps.
And I'm going to go over the next planet where you will get to rescue your first alien. So here we go.
Level 2. Your best performance is level 3. Level 2. Solar system. Back. Solar system. Solar system. Head. Buckle up. It's time. Planet Kratos. Planet Helios. Level 1. Your best performance is 0 steps. Level 2. Your best Another alien is lost. Remember to pick them up before going to the ship.
Oh wait. So it is level 1. Then what the heck? Okay, anyway. We are going to save an alien. So it's important to pick this guy up before going to the ship, or you will not finish the level. So, here we go.
Start level. Button. Planet Helios. The level is 4 rows and 4 columns. The astronaut is located at row 1 and column 1. The rocket ship is located at row 2, column 4. The alien is located at row 4, column 3.
3. Okay.
Best stars. Best performance. Astronaut. Row 1. Empty. Row 1. Unbreakable wall. Row 1. Unbreakable wall. Unbreakable wall. Row 2. Column. Empty. Row 2. Column 2. Unbreakable wall. Row 2. Column 3. Rocket ship. Row 2. Column 4. Unbreakable wall. Row 3. Empty. Row 3. Column 2. Unbreakable wall. Row 3. Column 3. Empty. Row 3. Column 4.
You know, actually, I'm not gonna do
Show
this
editing
on
cursor.
this video.
Button. Play button. Planet Helios. Back button. Solar system. Left. Planet Helios. Planet Helios. Heading. Solar system. Solar system.
So, that is
Back button. Back button. CodeQuest.
all you need to know about this game.
Voiceover off. Voiceover on. Landscape. Airplane mode. Switch button. Airplane mode. What? Me. Air. Right. Here. Select. Voice memos. Selected. Low power mode. Selected. Screen recording. Button.
I
Actions
will
available.
see you guys in the next video. Goodbye.